Hey, hey, hey. Welcome to AffirmFaithCo.com. So we're talking about junk journaling. What the heck is junk journaling? Junk journaling is a creative, free-form way to document your life and your faith using everyday items like old book pages, receipts, fabric scraps, maps. There's no right or wrong. Just grab what you have, layer it up, and let your heart lead the way. It's not about trash. It's about turning everyday scraps into something beautiful. Old receipts, torn paper, even tea bags. They become treasures in your journal. It's creativity with a purpose. Here's one that I've started. It's a binder book that I'm reusing. You see, I've pulled off the letters that used to be on top. And I'm just going to give you a peek at my junk journal. So I don't just use old scraps. I use leftover scrapbook papers. And I use paper bags. You can even use these paper bags to tuck in little memories or cards that you can write prayers or notes or anything at all in for memory keeping. I do have notes in here from Bible study. I've added transparency sheets. I've added old book pages. I've added old patterns from clothing patterns. I've added pieces from a foreign dictionary, maps, and all I do is collect the junk, and when I'm ready, I just cut it to the size of my journal. I'll share some other really cool pages. I've used a large tag in here, some graph paper. I have a music sheet. I have dotted paper, more tags. Here's a page that I'd started. And you can see just some found items in there. I like to use lumpy things in my junk journal, so I've got buttons and tags and other bits and bobs. You don't have to use old things, as I mentioned. This is from a newer scrapbook kit that I had scraps from. So I went ahead and added it to my junk journal. And sometimes I prepare the pages so I can just go ahead and add to them or journal in them. And sometimes I'll take the time and create an entire page. You can tuck prayer sheets in here, gratitude sheets. I absolutely love using cork for tabs as well as burlap. But there's lots and lots of things that you can add to it. You can even add photo inserts. And I've added some photos here of people that are important to me in my life. So as you follow our channel, you're going to see lots and lots of junk journal pages come into fruition as we create them together. That's junk journaling. I hope you join along with us.